Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you the secret to nice, clean, shiny white wheels. Alright, so ever since I got my wheels done in white, I've gotten a lot of questions about how I keep them clean. Well, I gotta tell you, first off, right off the bat, black wheels are a lot harder to keep clean than white wheels. It's a misnomer that white wheels are filthy all the time. White actually doesn't show dirt nearly as quickly as black does, but they do eventually get dirty, and I wanted to show you guys the secret to keeping them clean. So here it is, my secret, a cheap foam toilet bowl cleaner. So what I do is just put a little bit of soapy water in a bucket and I hose the wheels down. So I wet down the entire wheel, including the inside, and I take my handy toilet bowl brush with soapy water, and you can see that it and I use a soft foam, just the cheapest toilet bowl brush you can find. It gets right into the spokes very well. Also, you can get between the spokes and really get to the inside of the barrel portion of the wheel to scrub it clean. So, and it even fits through the smallest areas there. So I will put it between the spokes, give it a spin, get all the spokes in the sides as well as around the lug nuts, and this is, I found, the quickest and by far the easiest way to clean the wheels. And like I said before, you can actually get all the way inside the depth of the barrel of the wheel doing this. It's a simple hose down obviously afterward. Yeah. Just a very simple item. It's very gentle on the wheels, and yeah, that's the way I keep my wheels clean. And in case you're wondering, I've only cleaned the wheels twice in the, I think, 2 months now that I've been driving the car with these white wheels on it, which is like 8,000 miles. So they don't need it very often. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, you guys have yourselves a wonderful day. Take it easy now. Bye-bye.